How to fix error code 0xc004f213 in Windows 10 and 11. If you've been facing this error while trying to activate or update Windows, don't worry, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to resolve this issue. The first method to try is using the Windows Activation Troubleshooter. This built-in tool can automatically detect and fix issues with the Windows activation. Press Windows plus I to open settings, go to activation settings, simply search for activation settings. If your system detects an activation issue, you'll see the option for troubleshoot. Click troubleshoot and follow the on-screen prompts to let Windows try to fix the activation error. This should resolve common activation issues automatically, so give it a try first. If the troubleshooter doesn't work, let's try re-entering your product key. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box and type in SLUI3 and simply press enter. This will open the activation windows. Here, make sure your product key is correct. Simply tap on change and simply enter your correct product key. After re-entering the key, restart your computer and see if the issue is resolved. Next, let's run a system file check to ensure there are no corrupted files affecting your activation process. Simply open command prompt as administrator. Simply type in sfc /scan now, press enter and wait for the scan to complete. Once the scan is done, restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. Lastly, let's check for Windows updates. Sometimes this error can be caused by missing updates. Just go to Windows Update and check for updates. If there are any available updates, simply install it and restart your computer. And that's it. These are the top methods to fix the error code 0xc004f213 in Windows 10 and 11.